Hi guys. So today we're gonna talk about a Spotify AI DJ that I created. Uh, it's not a proper AI DJ because for AI DJ we needed to control the mixing, the transition, everything all together, and it requires some more metadata which we weren't able to get. But this is a DJ basically for you guys, in which you can use your Spotify premium account or your YouTube account or your YouTube free account, and you can mix match the songs, you can crossfade it, you can do whatever you want with that. And if there's a company who has a richer metadata with like bpms, tempo, waves, like sound waves and everything, we can easily make a better AI DJ, and we can include Claude and ChatGPT for that, and we can ask to interact. You just can interact with that. Just write it like we need a workout, and it is gonna crossfade in like particular time. But this is what we created as of now. I have created, not we, but yeah. So we are gonna connect it to the Spotify Premium. You can see the Spotify Premium is connected. We're gonna put the mix point as 1/4 because we want songs to cut at the 1/4 duration, not gonna like stretch it out. We have Spotify and YouTube options. So we're gonna do Spotify one here, and in the mixer we're gonna do show you a YouTube one. So we're just gonna start with a song like Chammak Chalo. Yeah, it works with most of the songs which are available in the US market. So if we go with Akon, so this is gonna start the first song, and the next song is gonna be like connected to that. So this is the first song that is like 3 minutes 47 seconds. It is very long, but if we it is gonna fade it out in like 1/4 of the song, but we don't have time for that, so I will just fast forward it. The That should be around 50 seconds. Yeah, so it is gonna cross fade into that, and you can have a look regarding how it looks. So it cross faded into like Tu Meri Main Tera song, and this is also gonna get played for 1/4, and then it switched to an English song that is in the same year. So this is how the switches works. The good part is you can blacklist artists. Like if I don't want to listen to Morgan Wallen, I can just write it down. Sorry, let me just put it proper. So we can just block it out, and when we block it out, then after Love Somebody, you won't get any Morgan Wallen song. So this is the next song, Jack Merning, and it just skipped. So we will this will get updated over time. It just takes a little bit more time for updating, but yeah. So you can just skip the songs, and it works perfectly with that. Now we're gonna show how a mixer works. So this is the mixer. In this, we're gonna show using YouTube, because Spotify doesn't have like an import playlist option available, but YouTube has it. So we're gonna do a song that let's go with Dynamite BTS. So you can see the first song that is gonna be like the official. Yeah. So you can add whichever one you want. So we will just add the audio one, and when you add that, you will see it populating in here the queue. You can see Dynamite, and we can set like 1/4 here, or you can set it for the all the queue. The main part what the DJ does is DJ mixes the songs. It has to grab like different songs from different playlists, different everything. So this is where this mixer comes. So you can see this YouTube. uh, this is basically, if I'm correct, yeah, you can see the pop certified one here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the link. Let's copy the link. Copy link address. You can see 50 songs here. I don't know how which like what is the amount of songs that are eligible for this. But what we have done is we have tried to create like the official, if it has like official audio or official music video, then only it will grab it. Otherwise you can see like a lot of lo-fi and mixes available online. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna import it. It is gonna get imported here, and you can see all the songs that will be added, can be added, like 46 tracks for added. Okay, but if you have a new song, like if you add a new playlist which has the duplicate song, it is gonna remove the duplicates and only keep the unique ones. So in the next playlist, if you have like 10 songs, but 5 of the songs are available here, so only 5 will be added. So it is always gonna be unique and always gonna be better. So you can see here that we are starting with 1/4, and then half half, everything starts. So when we started, let's,
Shoes on, get up in the morning,
yes.
cup of milk, let's
So
rock and roll.
this is basically, okay. It do hangs because it is using YouTube and it is my Wi-Fi, not the problem with the app. So when you are done with this, like what is 1/4 of 320? So after 1/4, when it reaches the 1/4 part, it is gonna switch to the Bruno Mars song. That is gonna get played for half of the duration. Then that is gonna end. Then the next song is gonna get played. Uh, you can do like you can clear all, and then you can add like the Spotify version of it. The Spotify version is actually a little bit better with the mixing, but it doesn't have like a playlist import, so there's little bugs here and there, like not a bugs, but it is a restriction that we get from the API usage. But if we get a metadata, it is going to work very good. So if we go with like let's go with tu meri main tera, the song which we saw in the AI DJ option. So when we search it out, you can see we will get the first song, but we will just get this Tu Meri because I like this one. And you can see this is added. And then we're gonna add like a song from Jaren MD, like Jindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I think it should work. So like Spotify tried to match it as close to as possible, and you can see it works. So we will get like Dil Dhadkne Do from here, and we have added it, and we have added like, let's do like a 1/4 part. Let's do both 1/4. So 1/4 set all. So it is gonna set both the 1/4 and it's gonna start playing. So the good part about this one is stop play mix. Yeah. So the good part about this one is it crossfades very good. So it is like 1 minute, something like that. It is gonna change at 1 minute 5 seconds, something like that. So let's see. So it crossfaded to Dil Dhadkne Do song, and it is gonna get played like 1/4, and that's it. So that this is how I created this AI DJ app, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm also working on an end-to-end application or architecture that can use fintech like stock market and those things. Still in my mind, I still have to develop it, but this you can have like I'm adding a link which is free. If you have Spotify Premium, you will love it. If you have YouTube, like YouTube, everyone has the YouTube and it's free, so you can use either way to make it better. And I hope you become the DJ of the group like me. And if there are some companies who have a richer metadata, like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music, if they SoundCloud, if you guys have a much more metadata, like which has like tempo, BPMs, genres, which are like Spotify has genres available, popularity available, but they don't work out and they always give null value. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So if you have a richer metadata, we can add a LLM layer into it. We can make it like a chatbot, and it is gonna work very good for you guys. So this is a small project. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please have a look. I have privated the GitHub code, to be honest, as of now, but the link is available. You can enjoy it as much as you want. Bye bye.